Morning. Di ba kapagsalita, kagigising ko lang. Today is Monday, February 17. I think, yeah, 17. Hindi ko natapos yung vlog yesterday. Nagpunta kaming, like, yesterday, church day yesterday. So, after church, we went to the restaurant. We are going to have lunch here, Olive Garden Italian Kitchen. Galing kami church today. Very nice. Nice bricks restaurant. Where are we?
In the Italian restaurant in the Olive Garden.
Italian Kitchen.
Italian kitchen.
First time namin dito, guys. Hindi ako supposed mag-vlog today, pero dinala kami ni Daddy. So, hello, babe! Cravings! Pasta.
You can get chicken Alfredo or
Yeah, I love that.
steak, shrimp,
You have shrimp too?
shrimp Alfredo.
Wow.
So it's fettuccine Alfredo. Alfredo sauce is like a cream sauce.
I'm getting... What am I getting? The
Shrimp.
seafood Alfredo. Hello, first time ko yun na-try. It will be my first time. Oh, you're talking about shrimp Alfredo or seafood Alfredo. Which one? Fingers on spaghetti. Okay. Yes,
For you, sir,
For you, babe.
Let's do tour of Italy.
the tour of Italy with a super salad for you.
Salad.
Salad.
Marami lang pa. Let's eat. Oh my God, this is so good. Malamig siya, promise. Ooh.
Is the light better?
Yeah. How was it? How was it, Yashli? How do you call this?
Chicken Parmesan, fettuccine Alfredo, lasagna.
Well, ang akin naman, seafood. Alfredo.
I
Good.
forgot.
They're done eating. Ayan guys, they have sweet dessert. You like it? Oh, strawberry on top. Kan yung strawberry? Eat the strawberry. Murag gili kaya niyo ang strawberry. Ako na talaga yung bit ng leftover. Ayan o. Mga leftover yan guys. From Olive Garden Italian Kitchen. Anyway, sobrang lamig sa labas. It's 32 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's like 0 degrees Celsius. Okay, sobrang lamig. And this will last for like a week, I think. And sabi nila parang possible, potential daw na may snow again. Pero di pa sure, di pa masabi. But yep, Wednesday, Thursday, we will be having a below freezing temperature here. So like sobrang lamig. I think after this, wala na kasi spring na after, by March spring na, so which is good kasi maganda na yung weather. Nagawa akong coffee. Yung asawa ko nasa bed ko, but we have to leave today kasi may shots yung kids nga for TDAP. They had appointment and they need to go for that shot this morning. 8:20 ata yung 8:20 appointment, but we have to leave about 8. Yung hospital is in College Station, so it's like 15 minutes away. After that, I think sasamahan ko si mom today kasi nung nakaraan guys, gusto talaga niya mag-shop. Gusto niya pumunta ulit sa store para bumili ng mga groceries for herself. So here, hindi naman kami pero meron talaga siyang mga food na gusto niya kainin. So we just let her eat what she wants. So, bumibili siya ng food na sobrang gusto niya. But then again, sobrang liit ng food intake niya. So, konti yung kinakain niya guys. So, like, pag naghahanda ako ng food here for her, for my husband, sinama ko na lang. But of course, I have to ask her kasi meron siyang mga prefer na food and food na hindi niya kinakain. Anyway, ito yung flower na binigay ng asawa ko noong the next day after Valentine's. Kinabukasan na kasi nga dami niyang ginagawa, guys. Noong Feb 14, sobrang tied up niya. So, he explained na meron supposed plano, but then hindi namin nagawa because yun nga. Pero, we went for dinner. Dinner naman kami, which is good. I got this flower, very cute. Super ganda. I love flower actually. Love ko talaga yung flower, guys. Sanay kasi siya na when I was still in the Philippines during Valentine's Day. Pinapadala talaga niya ako ng flower. Sinusurprise niya ako ng flower. But, no, nandito kami. He still do, sabi niya. He still do that. Sobrang sweet. Come on, are you done? Ibasa mo lagi ng buhok. Okay, pugong. Nicole, come on na. Hindi ka kagawas. Pag sure. Let's go.
You know it's freezing outside.
I told them already. They were like, we're fine. Okay. Daddy said it's freezing, so good luck. Pag nga na natanan dira. Come muna, Nicole. Brak, ikaw may wulaton, ha? Babe. Luck. Yeah, it's freezing. Wow! Sunny morning. Wala. You couldn't see? Wow, dili daw kay tugnaw, babe. They said it's not so cold. I brought some water just in case you guys wanted water. Oh. Yashli, are you ready for the job? She said, like, I'm gonna die. Is that a condominium there? Yeah, I think. Hotel, no?
It's the local.
Dito kami.
Hilton.
College Station kami, guys. Oh, meron pala sila Starbucks here. Ha?
Remember that
Snooze?
place?
Oh yeah, we ate here for the first time when we got here. Diba? That's where we eat.
Yep.
Snooze. Diyan pala yun.
You can read. You think you're hungry?
You know her whole ministry in
Think you
Manila.
hungry?
No, I haven't.
You know about them, right? It was actually her ministry
Minus
there was to help
600 or
women. I'm sure if
picture
they're
on some
open.
memories.
Maybe. They have presidential, diba? Sales, so they're
there's the
open.
sale. So I know they're open today. I just don't know if they're open yet.
What time is it? 9 naman.
It's 9 o'clock. A lot of businesses that are open will open at
10?
9, but it's always possible they'll open at 10.
Nice to come here like early because the parking is still
Like there's
Spacious.
nobody parked down here, so
Freezing cow, ice cream.
Okay, sarado yung Best Buy. Di sila bukas, guys. Again, holiday today sa US. President's Day. Sabi niya, bukas daw yung Home Depot. Home Depot naman. Ano to? Office Depot. Let's go in. Needs glue daw, babe. Stick glue. They have everything you need for schools, offices here. Wala naman talaga kaming plan, but anyway. Oh, dara ate, oh. Let me see how much this is. Mura ba ni imong giwala? Uy, mahal man kayo. Yeah, bet.
Stanley.
Mahal man kayo. Kani pero cute. Kay gamay. Pero mahal man. Akari may cute. Leak proof. Yung nana ba tayo magiwala? Dako siya buhok. Ah, wala. No, nice ni siya. Di ko ganahag na straw. I don't like the straw thing. Ha? Mautang na straw, no? Ito yung hinahanap ko, guys. Oh. Plastic nga lang. Mura. Pero I need when I paint. Pero wala silang white. Kailangan ko ng white. Mahal gid ay ning mga acrylic ko. Yung isang ganito for $5. Wala silang puti. Kailangan ko yung white. This one is ano to,
Dapat
silver at a warm
$2
green.
no, mahal kayo.
Mahal man dyan ang acrylic. That's why I realize yung mga nagpipaint, they are selling it high price. Where are we? We are in Sweet Eugene's house. We're just gonna kill time kasi kailangan namin pumunta sa Best Buy, guys. Kaso, sarado ba sila? Nicole was like, donut. How about donut? Ayun o, donut. But this one, they have a very good coffee. Dinala na ako ni Belle dito one time. Nung ano pa siya dyan, guys, oh. Ano ba to? Karate. Not karate. Dojo. Ano ba yun? Nakalimutan ko na yung pangalan. But yeah, there's a lot of students here. Hopefully, they have seats for us. That one, oh. That's something new. This one. Uy, tanawa rin. So, itawag na to na sa Pinas? Ano tawag nito? Meron tayong tawag nito sa Pinas. Nakalimutan ko na. But yeah, they have a good donut here. Oh. Hala, babe. This one, babe. Oh. That one. Murag lang na siya. We went to Five Below. Iniwan namin si Belle sa Best Buy, guys. Kasi yung asawa ko, guys, pag nagsha-shopping yan, kahit alam na niya kung ano yung gusto niya, agoy madugay paghapon na. So, we went to Five Below and then may nakita ako doon na mura lang. This one, $5 lang. So, kinuha ko na. Kailangan ko kasi ng ganito para sa aking mga, hindi na ako nagbe-makeup actually, pero marami pa rin akong mga pang abubot sa mukha ba na ayokong itapon din. Kasi baka kailanganin ko, like for example, if we are going we're going out for dinner or something, naglalagay pa rin naman ako ng kaunting makeup whenever we go out. Pero yung sa bahay lang, hindi ko kasi siya masyadong nagagamit, but only when I go out. So ito, sobrang mura na niya, honestly, like $5 for this, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 compartment. So this is really worth it. So, binili ko na siya. And then, this one as well. Kasi, naghahanap kami ng this one is for sharpener. So, pwede siya sharpener sa lip liner. Or pencil. $1.50. So, why not? 3 times na kami pabalik-balik dito sa Best Buy. Kasi nung bumili kami ng refrigerator here, binigyan siya ng $150 gift certificate and he has to use it here. So, yan. Napabili siya ng lagi niyang sinasabi sa akin nito, like yung watch na pang heart. Binili na niya. Para ma-track na daw niya yung kanyang mga movement and everything. But this one, I'm sure this is worth it naman. Yeah, that's so scary. I'm telling you. It's very scary. I started watching that one.
But it's morning.
It's scary lagi kina. Yes, patay na, bad kay na. Anyway, ito pala yung binili namin sa Home Depot. Napabili kami, guys, kasi buy one take one. We need a paper for our printer kasi naubusan kami ng papers. And then ito, kasi kailangan ko ng cleaner for purpose. Cleaner. And then this is for Nicole. Maganda to, guys. Oh. Kasi nawala nga niya yung tumbler niya ba. Naiwan niya sa sa bus. Awa na, hindi na malocate. So here, this is for her. And then Yashli, here's your glue stick. Then ito yung hinahanap ko. Gusto ko sana mag-order sa Shein pero $3 lang siya sa Office Depot. So, binili ko na. Ito yung guys, yung pang paint. Ito yung binili ni Belle sa Best Buy today. Lagi niya tong sinasabi sa akin na need niya. Did you try this one?
I don't know, did I?
I have no idea. It took you longer.
Is it still in the box?
Yeah, I guess. I'm trying to open it. It's so tight. Huh? This one. Oh, yan na. Sorry mo. Ayun na. Kaya pang-close na sa iyang para di siya malik. Kumura dito siya cellphone, no? That's nice. Talking to Daddy. It's a nice one. Did you tell her that she needs to change clothes now? So we can take her to the...
We're going to try and see if we can figure out how to do it on her phone.
What do you mean on her phone?
Well, she's trying to order it.
Ah, okay.
No, it's fast charger. That's good.
11:07 in the morning. Lagay natin ito dito. Mag-borrow na naman. Walis kami kanina guys, hindi pa ako nakapag-fix ng ating bedroom. Kasi umalis kami kanina around 8 talaga. So wala akong time kasi making sure the kids are already awake, feeding them, making food, yung mga ganun. So pag mga ganun, maaga ang alis guys. Ang hirap mag-fix ng bed. But anyway, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Disorganized kasi itong thing ko dito. Yan, naka-lay flat lang yung mga yan dyan. So, this one is really good. Para ma-organize or ma-sort out natin itong mga thing here. So, let's do that. Hindi ko na kailangan itong mga ganito, yung mga lashes thing. But, I'm keeping it kasi just in case naman, nagagamitin ko siya ba? Because I really don't know. Maybe kailangan ko pa. So here, dito naman ito mga lipstick. This one dyan ka stay. Yung iba, iwan ko na lang dito yung iba. Kasi, dyan naman talaga dapat ito mga pang blush on and everything. Daming binigay sa akin. Ito kay Ma'am Ami to eh. Hindi ko pa ito nagamit ko na ba to? This one, ito mga mamahalin yung mga binigay ni Ma'am Ami sa akin. This one, research ko pa talaga itong mga prices nito guys. Ang mamahal. This one as well. Yan. Bait ni Ma'am Ami talaga. Pero gagamitin ko yan kasi ayokong sayangin. Kasi hindi ko yan afford. Here we go. Hindi siya mag-pigo. Are you ready? Oh, yeah. Okay. Let's switch on the car first. Para may init. Warm. You want me?
It's not going to be cold.
Okay. The seats is far.
You have the key.
I got a key. The kids can close that one.
Well, I need to lock the door.
Yes. Well, you're talking about the car key. I think I brought the other key. You want me to get the other one?
I don't even know what's in it. If I have to put in the number, I don't know what it is. You know, like when you pay, sometimes you have to put.
Yeah, it's just a debit card. What number did you tell them to put in?
We're here. I'm also buying mine, guys. Bumili na ako. Hindi pa kami tapos dito. We're just waiting for Belle. Ayan, shopping si Mom. She's like, you guys are too busy. Too busy. Yeah, it's not. You still have. Yeah, you did not eat.
Why would she eat?
Talking about the kids, ba?
Why would she eat?
Why would she eat?
Waiting for better snacks.
Well, I'll just cook something for dinner. So, ano?
Do you have any more of that, you know, that other stuff that was in that big jar? What was it called?
Nutella?
Yeah.
We have Nutella there. It's not there?
I can't see.
Guys, where did you put the Nutella? It's not here.
Well, I still put some on my bread.
Yashli Nicole, the Nutella is gone. No, the one that's open already. What? Why did you put it there? It's supposed to be here. Oh, it's here.
Or maybe it's over here.
No, I forgot to put the cover, so I'm gonna clean that again.
Terrible.
Terrible.
The whole point.
I'm gonna cover it. I'm gonna clean it again.
Trying to save you work.
We are home. Well, actually, kanina pa. Mga 2 p.m. Kain na sila doon. They're eating lunch. Late lunch na kasi nga. Almost 12 na kami umalis. Kanina pa HEB. But anyway, guys. Finally, nabili ko na yung kailangan ko talaga. Hinahanap-hanap ko talaga siya. Uy! Kay, biskot maglagot yung ko. I mean, sorry, Lord. Baba. Oh, nakakainis yung ating pimples talaga. Ayaw mawala. Oh. So, nakabili na ako nitong patches. Pimple patches. Hopefully, this will work. Hopefully, mag-work siya sa akin, guys. So, for now, I'm gonna wash my face kasi I think wala na kaming gagawin today. We will be here inside the house, do things. Little things. Bukas, school naman, may pasok naman yung mga kids bukas. So, I have to be awake early ulit. Ito lang yung, nakita ko na to sa CVS, yung ganito guys ba, pero hindi ko kinuha. Kasi yung asawa ko, nagmamadali. I mean, like, nag-pick up kami. Yung time na yun yung Valentine's Day na umalis kami para mag-dinner. Kasi nga, meron po siyang plano, pero hindi nagawa. But anyway, but yeah, that time, nagmamadali. Oh, perfect. Ito yung mga maninipis. Kasi yung mga nabibili ko online, nung nasa Pinas ako guys, ay, marami akong ganito. Kasi nga, ang ano ko sa pimples talaga, especially pag mainit ang panahon. But this time, I think, lumala siya because nung time na, like, nag-start na siya redness, like, that time, like, pa-period na ako ba, and then, usually, pag may period talaga ako, or parating yung period ko, guys, magkakaroon ako ng maliliit na pimples dito sa chin area. But that's normal kasi na-read ko somewhere na pag pa-period ka talaga, lalabas yung mga pimples. But this one, ito, lumala, sobrang laki, and sobrang naiinis ako, na-stress ako makita to lagi. So, we will be using this one, and this says this one will help daw para wala yung redness and then mag-pop yung pimple. I don't know. Hopefully this will work. I just wanted to cover it kasi every time I go out, naiinis ako makita yung laki ng pimples ko. But yeah, this has 2 different sizes. May maliit, may malaki. But I think I have to use the malaki kasi itong pimples ko parang nag-double. Oh! Nung una, ito pa maliit. Tapos pangalawa. Yeah, it's fine. I'll be fine. I'm gonna wash my face. And then bumili din ako ng lip scrub. Kaya naiinis. Punta ako sa... Kita niyo ba yan guys? Oh, nagagasgas na yung lips ko. Itong dito, itong dito. Kasi here, nakakainis kasi. Mawawala, magiging okay yung lips pag another week na naman, magiging sobrang dry na naman yung lips ko. Naiinis na talaga ako. Sa Pinas, wala akong problema ganito. Dito lang talaga ako nagkakaproblema ng ganito, guys. Naiyak na ako. Okay. But anyway, are you done eating? Yeah. Gonna watch my face. Nicole?
On the couch.
Oh, my little cheese. ayaw niya masali sa vlog kung hindi siya maganda daw. Arte nito. Sa'yo lang, guys. Pag nagbablog ako, kahit mukha na akong ewan, siya ayaw niya gumadap sa camera. Basta hindi niya naayos yung buhok. Ay, nako, bata. Sige, nag-iinit na akong spaghetti. Sige. Kaya nga baka gigutom ka. I thought you're hungry. Come on. That's for the spaghetti. Ito yung mga natira kahapon ba nung nagpunta kaming Olive Garden. I'm not sure. I'll try. Pero kulang sauce. Yung sauce nila kulang. Let me mix it again. Ang saba? I-mix ang tarong. Mura lagi na. Ano no? Lumay. Kaya hindi siya sa Pinas. Kasi yung sa Pinas, sweet yung spaghetti natin. Pero dito guys, let me try. Iba nga. Dahil dito siya. Dito siya pa spaghetti sa Pinas. Pagpunta ka mag-side up? You want to eat some side up? Mag-side up baka. Gali. Kami hindi ay. Try this one yesterday. Kami. Are you done? They're making their own lunch. That's good. Para ano si mama. Put it back sa refrigerator. I'll show you guys what Nicole is cooking. You ruin your sunny side up? Oh, she's making her own lunch. It's okay. And then Yashli's having a ham. Now, make your own food. Kaya in case I'm sick, you know how to cook. Ha? Kabalo man siya. You just need to teach your sister. Pa-churcher, yun siya. Okay, kunuhay, di na siya rice. So, yung kakainin lang daw niya, sunny side up, kaarte-arte. Hindi mo ka ng rice. Kali, matuo ka, Kali, na hindi na siya kakain ng rice? I don't think so. I don't believe her, no? No? Gawa-gawa lang siya for the vlog.
If you're reading this now, odds are I've already left town. A few cities in between the new skyline where I'm looking down. A few empties on the floor and a note on the door of your house. And this silence reminds